Welcome back, foodies, to another episode of Nerdy Nibbles.
Today we're going to make a no-bake pumpkin cheesecake. So you're going to start with cream cheese. I'm not sure how many ounces this is. I think it's 8. Oh yeah, we threw that away. In the recycling because it's a box.
As we always say on the show, trust the process.
2 8 ounces to 16 ounces. It's 16 ounces.
It's 16 ounces. Thank you, Anthony.
Alright, so you're going to put it in a stand mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer. But, I mean, you might break it. I know, I say that from experience. Okay, so you want to do is beat the softened cream cheese. It has to be softened. Make sure you lock in your stand mixer. And you have to beat it until it's smooth and creamy.
Smooth and creamy.
I need to move this closer to me because I can't see.
She's too short to see the bulb.
I am. I'm really short. And that's so funny because everyone around me is like 6 foot or something. So tall.
Not I.
You guys like cheesecake? What's your favorite cheesecake?
I think mine would have to be like the just plain cheesecake.
You know, like if they put like the blueberry glaze or strawberry glaze on top? I like chocolate.
You said chocolate?
Yep.
I heard chai. I was like, that's interesting.
Yeah, let's just have a chai cheesecake.
Chai cheesecake.
Alright, that looks smooth and creamy to me. And the recipe I'm going off of is just something I saw on Google. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna mix the canned pumpkin puree until it's fully combined. I'm gonna do half first.
Yeah.
That looks
want
like
it too liquidy.
That looks like about half. Don't go too fast because it's gonna get everywhere, and then you'll be sad because it'll be everywhere. This is definitely interesting. It's an interesting process happening right now, and we're just gonna trust it. Yay! I'm just scraping the cream cheese off the sides so it can get fully
we're gonna need any more.
incorporated. I mean, it smells like pumpkin because obviously it's gonna smell like pumpkin. Can you hold this for a second?
Yes, I can.
All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. You know, pumpkin pie spices. We're going to trust the process. You'll also need 2 graham cracker crusts. It's really lumpy right now, and I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing yet. Some of us have trust issues, so we don't like trusting the process. Okay, it came together a little bit better. Okay, less concerning now. I'm just scraping the sides down. Now you could also add sugar, but like, I don't know. Pumpkin pie to me is like not sweet, so it's kind of sweet. I think we should add sugar.
I think so.
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of sugar. We're gonna add half of a tablespoon. Alright, let me just scrape the spatula off. Tastes like pumpkin pie. I don't like pumpkin pie, y'all. I just don't. That's a me thing. That's a me problem.
Looking like something now.
Okay, it's looking like not a hot mess. We're just gonna taste it. You need anything? More cinnamon, I think.
Yep.
We're gonna put another. Yay! I spilled cinnamon. So I spill something every time. Okay, now we're gonna taste again.
Very pumpkin-y.
Do we need more cinnamon or more nutmeg?
I probably need more sugar.
Okay.
Is that how you do it? Okay.
Just gonna add a spoonful
Spoonful of sugar.
Okay, I'll just put a little bit more. Okay, I also think it needs more cinnamon. And I spilled the nutmeg! Yay!
What is that? Spill number 2?
Yes. Okay, we're gonna try it again. This one's dirty up all my spoons.
I need tasting spoons.
Yep, that's pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
Now the next step is you're going to take a tub of whipped cream. Okay, cool. I know how to work my own thing. Yep.
Cool whip.
Okay, and it says to just fold it in. Okay, if you all haven't seen Schitt's Creek, then you might not know what that's from. If you have watched Schitt's Creek, then enjoy the laughter. Alright, here we go. You take your turn.
Do we need more of that?
Yeah.
Did you just put the rest in?
Yeah, just the rest of it. Does your family save the Cool Whip containers and use them as like Tupperware containers? I know some people's family do. I didn't.
I think more of the butter containers.
Oh yeah, the
Yeah.
country crock.
Yeah.
Or my favorite, your grandmother's sewing kit that's in like an empty cookie jar.
Mm-hmm.
Or not cookie jar,
Those cookie tins.
Yeah.
Yep.
Like you go over there and you're like, ooh, cookies! Haha, just
Nah,
cookies!
just dangerous sharp objects. I think that looks good.
Yeah. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit more. Okay, so now we're just gonna put it in our graham cracker crust. Here, let me hold on, just 2 seconds. Here, you can spoon it.
Ooh.
And I'll pour.
Smooth. Oh, snaps.
And I'm just gonna add a little bit more to the top here because we have this filling.
Gonna be some thick pies.
Okay, I think. I'm so sorry. Okay.
So we got some nice and thick ones here. Still works.
Yeah, they're just gonna be thick.
Who doesn't like a thick cheesecake?
Probably people who don't like cheesecake.
Well, I wasn't talking to y'all.
I'm just saying, girl, who doesn't like it? People who hate cheesecake?
Facts. Okay.
Alright, so now. Alright, so I may have overfilled them, okay? Alright, but you know what? Our coworkers will still eat it because they're getting free food. And so now, you have to let it sit in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours, but preferably overnight. So, we'll show you what it looks like in the morning.
Yeah.
Sorry. But for now,
This
bye.
is it. Yeah. Bye for now.
Like and subscribe if you like chaos.
Until next time, foodies.
Bye.
Bye.
Say hi. Where might be from it?
Well, there is now.
Look at that.